Welcome to IUGen documentation. I will go through IUGen main point and show you its capability. Currently I'm using Firefox, so Firefox mode is enabled. If you are using Chrome, Chrome mode will be enabled. So I'll stay on Firefox. So first go to EduSoft, your trusty web. Copy all the courses you want to be generated. Remember to copy all the columns like this. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Click add. Okay. Then if you want to add more courses, you just go back to EduSoft, copy all the courses, go back to IUGen, Control V to paste in. If you see that IUGen cannot generate any schedule, you need to remember to enable the courses you want to study. So I click this to enable. Still, IUGen cannot generate any schedule. That is because I have applied some default filters. Turn off no adjacent classes. You can see that there's two generated schedules. No adjacent classes mean that no two classes can be next to each other like this. So when I disable no adjacent classes, IUGen can generate two more schedules. Minimum 3 days mean that there's at least one free day for you. Like this is Friday. If I want two free day, I can increase the count, and IUGen will generate a schedule with two free days. So if you want to share all your schedule and classes with your friends, you can click this button. It then copy it into your clipboard. When you go to a new tab, you just need to press Control C to paste and press Enter. IUGen will automatically load all the classes that you have saved in your session. Thank you.